What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and I am here today at world famous Pinkberry. Today I'm gonna try out a dairy-free coconut soft serve. All right, guys, we've got our dairy-free coconut soft serve right here. First impressions, it looks just like regular soft serve. The texture looks just a little less creamy, maybe a little more icy, like it looks almost like an Italian ice. I think the dairy brings a little bit of the creaminess to it. So without that dairy, it looks a little more icy, similar to that of like a gelato or a sorbet kind of deal. This right here, this Pinkberry dairy-free coconut soft serve. Ain't it? I'm missing the creaminess. Texture is very similar to any soft serve I've ever had, but I think the lack of dairy leads to a lack of creaminess that for me, I really need. It tastes pretty good. I'm not the biggest fan of coconut. It's sweet, but not overbearing. I would have liked a little bit more flavor to it. It's a little bland, I would say. Nothing really to write home about. And the texture for me is just killing me. It's kind of like when you stumble across a Beyond meat the texture's just not right. The lack of creaminess is very obvious and it's impossible to ignore. I was looking for it to be a little more rich with sweetness. It's not terrible, it's pretty good, but it's not fooling me that it's the real deal. There's been a lot of hype surrounding Pinkberry, and trying this for myself, I don't know if it lived up to the hype, I'll be honest. It tastes like a knockoff. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you.